Hey everyone, Elliot here. Ever stumbled upon that pesky iPhone lock to owner message and found yourself completely stuck? Yeah, we've all been there. First things first, if you're thinking about using some sketchy software or dodgy service, let me stop you right there. Not only are those methods unreliable, but they can also put your data at risk. In today's video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to remove the iPhone lock to owner message, also known as the iCloud activation lock, from your device. And don't worry, everything I'm about to show you is totally legal and works for iPhones, iPads, and even Apple Watches. The best part, these methods are way safer, quicker, and absolutely free. So stick around and let's get that annoying lock off your device once and for all. Remember, this info is for responsible use only. It's for people who own their device but forgot their login details. We do not support breaking the law, like bypassing security on stolen devices. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's rules and community standards. Now let's get started. All right, straight into it. If you've been searching for ways to get around the iPhone lock to owner message, you might have come across various services and software promising a quick fix. Let's be clear, many of these options are unreliable and could put your device and data at risk. Now, let's talk about some of the best options that are safe and effective. You might want to check out UnlockHere's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Locked to Owner, and iUnlock app. These services are designed to help you remove the iCloud activation lock legally and securely. A quick backstory. A friend of mine recently bought a second-hand iPhone, only to find it locked to the previous owner's iCloud account. After trying several sketchy methods that didn't work, we found these reliable services that got the job done without any hassle. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. These methods are meant for those who legitimately own their device but have forgotten their access info. We strongly discourage any unlawful actions, such as using these methods on stolen devices. Now let's move on to using UnlockHere's AI unlocking assistant. All right, let's dive right in. Open your browser on either your phone or computer and head over to unlockhere.com. This site features an AI assistant that helps you unlock any mobile phone restriction you might be facing. Once you're there, let Nifty, the AI bot, know you need an iCloud unlock by clicking on Remove Activation Lock. Next, you'll need to select your device. Choose iPhone, but you can also opt for iPad or Apple Watch if needed. Now, you'll need to enter the IMEI or serial number of your device. iPhones all have IMEIs, so choose that if you're unlocking an iPhone. Some iPads and Apple Watches also have IMEIs if they have a SIM card slot or cellular capacity. If they lack these features, they come with just a serial number. To find this, press the sleep button on your locked device, then press it again and tap on the I on the bottom right. This will show your device info. Don't forget to input the device information in the next step. Enter your basic info to attach the order to your account. Make sure it's real info so you can receive your order confirmation. You'll get a confirmation code sent to your email that you need to confirm. Next, check that you agree to the terms and confirm you aren't planning to unlock a stolen device. Tap Start Process and solve the quick CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. You will receive an email with a confirmation code. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes the email ends up there. Take the confirmation code, click the button to reach a page where you have to enter it, and once again confirm you're not a robot. Once entered, your unlock process will start and your device will be unlocked. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone lock to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone, and as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it'll be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked, so it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the rest of the steps and just do it all later on. And there you have it. It says, "Welcome to iPhone." Now go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password, or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. All right, guys. Here are some more alternative ways to legally remove the iCloud activation lock from your device. Finding yourself locked out of your own iPhone or other Apple device can be super frustrating. Luckily, there are multiple legal ways to remove the iCloud activation lock. One of the simplest ways is by contacting the previous owner. If you bought a second-hand device, reach out to the seller and ask them to remove the device from their iCloud account. They can do this by signing into iCloud.com, going to Find My iPhone, and removing the device from their account. Another reliable option is to contact Apple support directly. If you can provide proof of purchase, Apple can assist you in unlocking the device. This is especially useful if you've bought the device from an authorized retailer but misplaced the login details. For those who prefer a more automated solution, services like Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Lock to Owner, and iUnlock app are excellent options. These platforms offer ways to safely remove the iCloud activation lock without risking your data. They're particularly useful if you can't get in touch with the previous owner or lack proof of purchase. When addressing your queries, always aim for easy-to-follow steps. Start by visiting the Unlock Here website. Engage with Nifty, the AI bot on the site, which will guide you through the process. Choose your device type, iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Use the IMEI for iPhones and SIM-equipped iPads, or the serial number for other devices. Fill in your details to receive a confirmation code in your email. Agree to the terms, confirm you're not unlocking a stolen device, and complete the CAPTCHA. Check your email for the confirmation code, including your spam or junk folder. Finally, enter the code on the confirmation page to start the unlocking process. Using these steps ensures you have a clear, legal path to unlocking your device. Always remember to use these methods responsibly and respect others' rights. You should know that the unlock services mentioned only work in first world countries. If you can't access these services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your device model, IMEI number, and country. Once you complete these steps, you're automatically entered. That's it for today. Catch you in the next one.